take input and store the data in an array. So the first thing you need to do is you need to import the scanner class, which is required to take any kind of input. Next, we will be creating uh, an object of the scanner class. You don't have to do this, but scanner c equals to new scanner brackets system dot in, and after that, let's declare our let's initialize our array, which will be int. Let's just call the array a, and then new array. No, sorry. New integer. The size of the array, let's say, is 4. So that's done. And now we have to take input. So to do that, we need a for loop. And then and so the syntax of the for loop needs to be followed n equals to 0. Okay, so how many times will the loop run? The loop will run as long as all the length of the array we have until we have covered the full length of the array. So n less than so the way to do that is a dot length, and then we have to be increasing the value of n every time. So now how do you store input? So so we say that the number at at index of n, which is this n, the n of the for loop, will be equals to uh, sc dot next int, basically the number that the user enters. So what's happening here? So basically, um, we are entering so a at n. The way indexing in arrays work is that it starts from 0 and goes on till the end. So if I have an array size of 4, the starting index will be 0 and the ending index will be 3. So and so you have to run it till n is equals to 3, and which is basically and 3 is less than 4. So until we start at n at 0, and then we continue till it is 3, which is less than, because a dot length will be the length of the array, which is here is 4, and 3 is less than 4. So the second it hits 3 and the next iteration it goes to 4, it is not run, because we have clearly said only less than 4, and we are increasing the value of n every iteration. And so a at n. So a at index 0 will be whatever the user enters. So we're going from left to right in storing input. So in the first iteration, a at index 0, a at index 1, until and so on and so forth, until we have covered the full length of the array.